At the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, Kuhl unveiled two jaw-dropping widebody kits that have stunned car enthusiasts worldwide. These modifications, applied to two of Japan's most iconic sports cars, the Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Fairlady Z, take customization to the next level. With their bold and aggressive designs, the two vehicles have been described as angry samurais, invoking a powerful presence that demands attention. These widebody kits, inspired by Japanese drift cars and the Bosozoku tuning culture of the Showa era, are now some of the most talked-about creations in the automotive world. Kuhl's approach to modifying the Nissan Fairlady Z is radical yet undeniably stylish. The Spec-D kit, designed with precision, adds a fierce 80mm to each side of the car, thanks to its ultra-wide fenders and matte black extensions. The vehicle is now flanked by pronounced side skirts, offering a wider stance that exudes a sense of raw power. But the Spec-D kit isn't just about aesthetics. Its aggressive custom front and rear bumpers, massive splitter, and towering rear wing give the car the look of a time attack racer. The quad tailpipes, designed in a bamboo spear style, further accentuate the car's menacing appearance, proving that Kuhl's design is all about making a bold statement. Underneath, the Nissan Z rides on 19-inch forged two-piece Vers Krone 04 wheels, significantly wider than the factory stock wheels. This gives the Z a more planted and dynamic look, ready to take on any challenge. The Air Force Super Performance suspension achieves a slammed look, emphasizing the car's aggressive stance. While there are no performance upgrades mentioned for the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, the Spec-D kit undoubtedly enhances the car's presence both on and off the track. Interestingly, while Kuhl's Spec-D Nissan Z was a one-off build for the Tokyo Auto Salon, many of its components are already available for purchase in Japan, allowing other enthusiasts to transform their own Fairlady Z into a beastly creation. Meanwhile, Kuhl's take on the Toyota GR Supra has sparked its own wave of controversy. The Spec-D widebody kit applied to the Supra is equally striking, with Kuhl acknowledging that the design is highly controversial, yet incredibly bold. This customization brings the GR Supra's already aggressive looks to a new level, inspired by the O-Rada racing GR Supra that has competed in the D1 GP Drift series. At the front, the Supra now features a redesigned bumper with angular surfacing and oversized intakes, an aggressive splitter, and integrated canards. The bulging bonnet sacrifices some visibility, giving the car a much more dynamic and race-ready appeal. The side profile is dominated by vented fender extensions, which give the car an even more aerodynamic edge, reminiscent of a Le Mans racer. However, it's the rear end that truly steals the spotlight. The oversized rear spoiler, combined with the roof-mounted wing, creates a presence that's both daring and functional. The sharp edges of the rear bumper, accentuated by the pronounced diffuser and quad tailpipes, further enhance the car's aggressive and unique look. The Toyota GR Supra Spec-D, much like the Nissan Z Spec-D, rides on 19-inch forged alloys by Vers wheels, offering a perfect balance of style and performance. The car's suspension, also upgraded with Air Force Super Performance components, ensures a low, aggressive stance that's ready for any track day. What's even more intriguing is that this custom GR Supra is available for purchase either as a complete car or as standalone parts. Although Toyota may have stopped taking orders for the Supra in Japan, Kuhl is offering enthusiasts the opportunity to own a modified Supra based on used examples, allowing them to access this one-of-a-kind tuning masterpiece. Kuhl's widebody kits have brought these legendary sports cars to new heights, with designs that capture the essence of Japanese tuning culture. These customized Toyota GR Supras and Nissan ZS are no longer just vehicles, they're statement pieces, embodying the power and energy of Japan's tuning scene. Whether you're a fan of widebody kits or simply admire aggressive car designs, these two builds are sure to be the talk of the automotive world for years to come.